Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download images from Midjourney.com. So go over to Midjourney.com, then sign into your account. So in my instance I am already signed in. So if I want to download, as you can see, these are my images. And if I want to download, for example, this one, I can press on these three dots and then click on Save Image right here. So click on this, and as you can see, your image is saved. You can show in Finder. So bring up the Finder, and as you can see now right here, there is my image saved and downloaded. So this is how easy it really is to download your image. So let's say I want to download a different one. I just simply press these three dots, save image. It's really simple as that. You can see in a minute it will save right here, and just click on that to open it. So it's really that simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and watch my other tutorials if you want to see more in this Midjourney playlist on my channel. Thank you for watching again, and see you in the next one. Bye.